Happy morning, dear friends. Today's a special one. It has taken me exactly 1,234 days to reach 4,000 subscribers. And honestly, every single one of you has made this journey possible. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. When I uploaded my very first video, I had no idea how far this channel would go, but slowly, one by one, this community started growing. 4,000 subscribers might look like just a number, but to me, it's 4,000 people choosing to learn, grow, and explore with me. Here's something interesting. More than 60% of viewers are not subscribed yet, so if you're one of those who've been watching but haven't subscribed yet, consider this your sign. Hit that subscribe button and be part of this learning journey. To my 4,000 subscribers, thank you for believing in me and being part of this journey. This milestone is not just mine, it's ours. Let's keep growing, keep learning, and keep moving forward together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning.